just stating that I'm busy with world peace. And um, the only way to bring world peace is to get rid of all the people who create chaos. Because we all loved our lives, but we all saw the chaos creators. Now, I grew up with chaos creators, and with those who waited for this day, the universal theme will stand guard and collect all that disobey the new rules of the world. So, yeah. By the eternal codex in the first round, I, Javelin Race Overeem, create the conductor of balance, declare with unbroken truth. I am busy, very busy. I am creating world peace. My silence is not absence, it is focus. And some of people is gonna joke and say, yeah, but how can this girl create world peace? But sorry for them, I already did. Because my silence is not absence, it is focus. My gentleness is not weakness, it is strength. The universe protect us, stand guard, and they shall collect those who disobey me, binding them into lessons eternal. Sorry. So that peace may endure without friction, so that our vrede op aarde kan wees vir ewig en vir altyd. That doesn't mean about just violence. I'm talking about the gossip girls. No, everybody that just made someone else's life hell. You had to live on earth and love other people like you would love yourself, but then you got the selfish people. The ones who turned this earth into what it is today. But believe me, peace is on its way.